What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be telling you or giving you a tutorial on how to create your first Android Studio app using Kotlin. Kotlin is a newer programming language, and it is an official language of Android Studio. Google announced. So let's go ahead and get started. Well, I'll tell you what the premise of the app is going to be. It's going to be a prime number checker. Basically, you enter a number and it'll tell you whether it's prime or not. This was a coding challenge for an internship I applied for, so I thought it would be pretty useful to make a YouTube video over. Okay, so let's get started. First thing I'll do is create a new project. I'm going to name it Kotlin Prime Number Checker Tutorial. And then this is important. You want to make sure that you check Include Kotlin Support. So once you've done that, just hit next. Go ahead and just default everything. Start with an empty activity, main activity, and finish. Okay, let me bring this over here. Okay, so the first thing we'll knock out is the XML file, the layout of the app. So we'll go ahead and switch this to a linear layout, and I'll delete this text view, and I will switch the orientation to we'll go with vertical. Okay, so let's see, what we'll need for our app is an edit text field, and we will just have that match parent on the width and wrap content. Okay, and we'll go ahead and add a hint, and we will just put the hint as enter number here. Okay, and then we will set the ID for this. Let me see. We'll make the ID enter number. Okay. So once that is done, we'll also add an input type. So this will allow the users to only select numbers. So because this is a prime number checker, so we will make the input type number. Okay, and then we'll put a text view here, and we'll have that be just wrap content, and we'll make the text click the button below to check whether or not your number is prime. Okay, and then we don't really need an ID for that one, so we'll skip past that, and then we will add a button. And the button will be, width will be match parent wrap content. Okay. And we'll go ahead and set the ID here. And we'll name this one check BTN. Okay. And then one last thing we'll need is a text view to display whether the number is prime or not. So we will have that just be wrap content, and we'll name this result text. Okay, so once we've done that, we should see this over here. Let's see, I forgot to add text to the button. So we'll do that to make that look a little nicer. Text check number. Okay, go back, and this is what you should see. Alright, so once we've done that, we can actually get into the coding, and we'll head over to mainActivity.kt, and we'll go ahead and start. So first thing we're going to need to do is have an on-click listener for our button. So start typing whatever you named it, and in Kotlin, instead of doing the find view by ID, you can actually just import this Kotlin X Android synthetic main.activity underscore main, and that is much easier than initializing every single variable that you have in your layout. So okay, so once that's done, we will set an on-click listener, and we'll go down to this one. And what we want to do is, so we're going to have a value for the number that we enter. So we will declare that, and I believe we name this enter number. Okay, and then we will do .text .to string .to int. Okay, and then we are going to need a flag. So we'll do flag, and we'll have that set initially to false. Okay, so once we've done that, we're just going to need a simple for loop. And so we'll do for I and 2 to our number, or num, divided by 2. Okay. And then we will do if num remainder I equals 0, we can go ahead and then set our flag to true. And then we are going to want to break. Okay, so once we've done that, we just basically need to send this text to display on our layout screen, whether it's prime or not. So we'll go out of this for loop, and we will do if not flag, which means, so not flag will mean we'll switch our, or if it's not false, so it's true, and the remainder is 0, we will do result text dot text equals prime. Okay, and then our else statement will be result text dot text equals not prime. Okay, so once we've done that, we should be good to go. We're going to need to, we'll debug it and make sure everything is working perfectly. Wait for this to load up. Not sure what's going on there. Must have been old apps I was debugging earlier. Okay, so as you can see, our app is working perfectly. So let's go ahead and enter a number that's obviously not prime. So we'll do 3, and we'll check. Oh, sorry, that is obviously prime, and we will check that, and you'll see it says prime. So we'll try 4, not prime, 5, prime, 6, not prime, 7, prime, 8, not prime. So you get the gist of it, and that's basically all you need to do for this tutorial. And have fun coding in Kotlin. And if you don't mind, please comment and subscribe. And if you have any questions, make sure you comment on the video. And I will leave the GitHub link in the description. Thanks, guys, for watching.